For many homeowners in League City, rising energy costs have become a constant concern. Between long, humid summers and cool winter fronts, your home's heating and cooling system is always working to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. One of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to bring those energy bills back under control is by replacing old, inefficient windows. Upgrading to modern, energy-saving windows offers year-round benefits that improve comfort, cut monthly costs, and boost the overall value of your home. Why windows matter more than you think. Even if your HVAC system is running efficiently, aging windows can work against you. Older frames warp over time, seals weaken, and single-pane glass does very little to keep outside temperatures at bay. In League City's climate, this means heat easily transfers into your home during the summer and escapes during cooler months. Modern replacement windows are designed to block those unwanted temperature changes. Today's technology focuses on insulation, airtightness, and solar control, three features that directly impact how much energy your home uses. Better insulation for lower cooling costs. Summer is when energy bills tend to spike the most in League City. High humidity and near triple-digit temperatures cause air conditioners to work overtime. Energy-efficient replacement windows help reduce this strain thanks to multi-pane glass, advanced weather stripping, and insulated frames. Double-pane and triple-pane windows create a thermal barrier that dramatically slows heat transfer. The space between the panes is often filled with argon gas, which adds another layer of insulation. This improved performance helps your home stay cooler naturally, allowing your AC system to cycle less frequently, and lowering your monthly utility bills. Solar control that keeps your home comfortable. League City homeowners know how intense the Texas sun can be. Without proper protection, sunlight streaming through old windows heats up the home quickly. That leads to hot spots, fading furniture, and higher energy consumption. Replacement windows with low emissivity, low E, coatings reflect harsh solar rays while still letting in natural light. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and prevents your cooling system from working harder than it needs to. The result? Better comfort throughout your home and lower energy use during peak summer months. Winter efficiency matters too. While Texas winters are mild compared to other states, League City still sees cold fronts that can push heating systems into action. Drafty or poorly insulated windows allow warm air to escape and cold outdoor air to seep in, forcing your heater to work overtime. Energy-efficient replacement windows create an airtight seal that keeps your indoor warmth where it belongs. No more cold drafts by the window, and no more unnecessary heating cycles driving up your energy bills. With a consistent indoor climate, you get comfort and savings through the entire winter season. Reduced strain on your HVAC system. When windows perform better, your HVAC system doesn't have to compensate for heat gain or heat loss. That lighter workload extends the lifespan of your heating and cooling units, reducing long-term repair and replacement costs. Homeowners often overlook this hidden benefit, but it can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars saved over time. Increased home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows aren't just about savings, they also improve the look and overall value of your home. Many buyers specifically look for homes with modern, efficient windows because they know the long-term benefits. Upgraded windows can increase resale value, enhance comfort, and improve your home's exterior appearance all at once. Start saving with window replacement in League City. Replacing your home's windows is one of the smartest improvements you can make if you want meaningful, year-round energy savings. With better insulation, stronger solar protection, and improved indoor comfort, energy-efficient windows quickly pay for themselves. For League City homeowners looking to reduce monthly bills while improving their home's performance, window replacement is a smart investment that delivers results in every season.